Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to switch to dark mode on the Twitter app. It's extremely simple, so let's just get started. The first thing that you need to do is click on your profile icon in the top left corner, and right there all you need to do is click on that. There's a small little light bulb icon down at the bottom. You just need to click on that, and then from there you can switch from off to on. And as you can see right now, it is extremely dark. If you want it a little lighter, there's also a dim mode down there at the bottom. You can switch to more of like a dark blue. And if you want to switch between off and on whenever you change your device settings, you can click on the use device settings option. So right now I have everything set at dark mode, so this will be on dark mode. If this video was useful for you, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated.